So here it is, first person view. Bloody indicator says a metre. I watched a couple of Toyotas go through, it's sort of half metre I reckon, but I've walked my gear over the other side. It's pretty rough bottom, but hopefully alleviating the weight off the bike. I can handle the bloody thing through there. GoPro's filming. I'm sick of waiting around, so I'm just going to post it. Ah, good job. Good job, DR. I don't know about the operator. Oh, yeah. Pull the drain on the airbox. Look at all that water. Just came out of there. A mixture of bloody filter oil too, but anyway, there we go. I came out here to do this to challenge myself, and challenge is what I got.